Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make the header elements. And so just looking at our reference, I'm going to put the logo in. I'll have the menu and I'll have a search field. And I'm actually going to make all of this equidistant, so all the same distance apart. So I'll come in here and just get our text. So I'm going to use Fira Sans bold. So I'll just type that in. Let's just zoom in. Now I need it to be white, of course, so just make that F. And so we've got that. Okay, so what I'll do now is, so I think that should be about right. I'm just going to option drag this a few times. Okay, I won't worry about getting it all set up because I'm going to be doing all of that. And oops. That's outlet. Oops. Okay. So get all of these set up. I won't worry about getting them all spaced perfectly just yet, but I will just, oops, get them all set up. So there they all are. I can actually, I will be doing distribute spacing and I'll be putting a search field in here. So firstly, I'll just put the logo in. Now I'm just going to use I've got a PNG file, which I'll use for this. So I'll just drag and drop that in there and just pop that in place. So let's just have a look at our template. 145 by 65, see if that works. 30 pixels from the edge. So let's make that 30 and 145. I don't want to stretch it, so I'll leave it at that height. And let's just put that there. Now, what I'll do, I'll just move these over here and I'll put my search field in. So that's search field is 395 by 25. That's this area here. I'll be putting all the other elements in a bit later. What is it? 395 by 25. Okay. All right, so I think I've set this at 650. So we'll just come in here and make that 650. Now what I want to do is I want to make all of these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get them all lined up. Now I'm also going to do what's called distribute spacing. So here in this alignment area, down the far right, we've got more options. Distribute horizontal spacing. So now now I'm going to make them all 30 pixels apart. Okay, and so they are now all set together. Now I'm going to be putting some icons in here, so I might just move these over here a little bit more for now. I'll be able to do the adjustments. What I will also be doing is I'm going to be creating this menu as components. So I'll be doing that a little bit later as well, but I'll be making it so that it has what's called a rollover state automatic into it. Okay, so I'll be doing that a bit later, but I just wanted to set up all of these elements, so get them all perfectly lined up and aligned, and that is done.